Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the MX English channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and real. I'm Chloe.
Hi, Chloe. It's great to be here with all our amazing listeners. How are you feeling today?
I'm doing great, Ethan, and I'm super excited because today's topic is something everyone wants to know about.
Oh, that sounds interesting. So, what's today's big topic?
We're going to talk about how to sound more like a native English speaker.
Wow, that's a fantastic topic. But it's not about being perfect, right?
Exactly. It's not about perfection. It's about being clear, confident, and natural when you speak.
That's what everyone wants. To sound relaxed, not robotic.
You got it. And today, we've got some really fun, practical tips to help with that.
I can't wait. But first, thank you so much for tuning in.
Yes, and if you enjoy our lessons, please give this episode a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow.
All right, Chloe, let's dive in.
Let's do it. So, what's the first step to sounding more like a native speaker?
I'm curious. Tell us.
Our first topic is something called connected speech.
Ooh, that sounds technical. What does it mean?
It sounds fancy, but it's actually simple. Connected speech means we don't pronounce every word separately. We link words together when we speak naturally.
So the words kind of flow?
Exactly. For example, instead of saying an apple clearly and slowly, a native speaker might say an apple. It sounds smoother, like one word.
That makes sense. It feels faster and more natural. Can you give another one?
Sure. Take good afternoon. Most people don't say good afternoon with a pause. The D in good connects to afternoon, so it sounds like good afternoon.
Wow, I hear that all the time. It really makes speech sound fluid.
Yes, it's a small thing, but it makes a big difference in how natural you sound.
That's a great start. What's next?
Next up, reductions and contractions.
Reductions. Does that mean we make words shorter?
Exactly. We make them faster and smoother. For example, going to becomes gonna. So instead of I'm going to eat, you'll often hear I'm gonna eat.
Oh, I've heard that one. So it's still correct in conversation, just more casual.
Right, and want to becomes wanna, like I want to learn English.
Got it. That makes speech sound more relaxed.
Yes, and then we have contractions, which are also about combining words, but these are written too. Like I am becomes I'm, you are becomes your, he is becomes he's.
Oh, and negatives too. Do not becomes don't, is not becomes isn't.
Exactly. Using contractions helps you sound more fluent and friendly right away.
All right. What's our third tip?
That would be stress and emphasis, deciding which words you say with more energy.
So, not every word is equal?
Exactly. Some words carry the main meaning, so we stress them. For example, I love this podcast.
Okay, if you stress I, it means you love it. Maybe not someone else.
Right. And if I stress love, it means you really love it, with passion.
And if you stress this, it means you love this podcast, not another one.
Perfect. The sentence is the same, but the meaning changes depending on which word you emphasize.
That's amazing. It's like music.
Yes, English has rhythm. Some words are strong, others are soft. That rhythm makes speech come alive.
Great. What's next?
Let's talk about accents.
Ah, yes. Everyone worries about this one.
Exactly. English is spoken all over the world, in the US, the UK, Australia, Canada, and many more. Each place has its own accent.
Even in one country, accents vary, like New York versus Texas.
Exactly. So the key point, there's no single correct accent.
That's a relief.
It's true. The goal is to be clear and confident, not to sound like someone in a movie.
And listening to different accents helps too, right?
Absolutely. Expose yourself to a variety. It trains your ear.
All right, moving on. What's next?
Modern slang.
Ha! This one's fun, but tricky.
It is. Slang changes constantly. For example, people still say cool or awesome to mean great.
Yeah, like that song is awesome.
Exactly. And newer ones like lit, that party was lit, mean something exciting or amazing.
But be careful, right?
Yes. Slang is very informal. It's great with friends, but not in professional settings.
Good advice. Maybe stick to cool and awesome at first.
Perfect plan. Listen first, then use slang once you understand it.
Okay, what's next?
Next up, set phrases. Short, ready-made expressions we use all the time.
Like, how are you? Or see you later?
Exactly. We don't build them word by word. We learn them as one unit.
That definitely makes speaking faster.
Yes, it's like having sentence blocks ready to go. For example, can you help me please? Or I'm not sure.
So learning these common phrases makes speaking more automatic.
Right, you'll sound smoother without overthinking every word.
Great tip. What's after that?
Power words.
Ooh, sounds strong. What are those?
Power words are vivid, expressive alternatives to boring ones. Instead of saying good, you say amazing or delicious.
So, the food was good becomes the food was delicious.
Exactly. It paints a better picture. And instead of bad, I'd say awful or terrible.
So I could say, that movie was awful instead of bad.
Perfect. Using more descriptive words makes your English sound richer and more colorful.
I like that one. What's next?
Next tip, speed and pauses.
Ah, the rhythm of speaking.
Yes, many learners think speaking fast equals fluency, but actually, native speakers change their speed and use pauses.
Right? Pauses help emphasize meaning. Like, I have good news.
Exactly. A pause builds suspense and gives listeners time to process.
And it gives you time to think. 2.
Yes, so don't rush, speak at a comfortable pace. Use pauses naturally. They make your speech sound calm and confident.
Got it. What's next?
Now we'll talk about formal versus informal English.
Very important. Using the wrong tone can be awkward.
Exactly. Informal English is for friends and casual situations, like, hey, what's up? Want to grab lunch?
But that wouldn't work. In an office.
Right. In formal settings, you'd say, good afternoon. Would you like to have lunch together?
So, the difference depends on who you're speaking to.
Exactly. Context matters. Watch movies or TV shows to notice how people switch between casual and professional tones.
And now, the final tip.
Yes, natural reactions.
Oh, like, wow, or really.
Exactly. These small responses make conversations feel real.
If I tell you I got a new job, and you just stay silent, it's awkward.
True, I'd probably say, that's awesome, or congratulations.
Perfect. These quick reactions show you're listening and engaged. Even small sounds like right, or I see make a big difference.
So, natural reactions help you sound friendly and connected.
Exactly. It's not just what you say, it's how you respond.
Wow, Ethan, these tips are amazing.
We covered a lot. Connected speech, contractions, stress, accents, slang, set phrases, power words, speed, tone, and natural reactions.
That's quite a list. But remember, you don't need to do it all at once. Start small.
Exactly. Try using more contractions this week. Or replace good with a power word like fantastic.
Every small step makes you sound more natural.
It really does.
Well, that's all for today's episode.
This was such a fun lesson.
It was. Thank you all for joining us. If you found these tips helpful, tell us in the comments which one you'll practice first.
And don't forget to subscribe to MX English channel. And share this with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. Stay confident. And remember, learning English should always be fun.
See you next time.
Bye for now, and keep shining, learners.